From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley with today's Cash Close. You know what we're going to title this video? We're going to title it the Friday, July Expo Squeeze Job. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1974 even late in the day, or recently. The low came in at 1957 half on the open, and last were 1971 even, were up 17.4 handles. Can you believe that? Total volume, 1.8 million minis trade and 5.7 thousand big S&Ps trade in the pit. MOC, we had 100 million to buy. The MIM was showing 200 and something to sell. Look we've got a pretty quiet week ahead next week. We've got a total of 14 economic releases, I can't speak, 12 T-bill or T-bond auctions or announcements, and no Fed speak. And on Monday, we've got one economic release. We've got the Chicago Fed National Activity Index. Now look, I gotta ask you something. Can you believe this? I mean, look everybody was bearish yesterday, the world was falling apart, and now the S&Ps rally up 17 handles. I think this is all part of the way the price action works. People get thrown one way, and then the buyers come back in, and then they throw it back the other way. But the reality of this is that I think what's going on here is I think all this selling that went in yesterday, I don't think there's any way in hell that everybody could have covered. So what that leaves more short covering for next week, but I also think that Monday could be a little weaker than what most people think, and then I think later in the week we're going up to 1990. That's all there is to it. These shorts fed this rally. They put in their buy stops. When you have natural cash buyers in the market like you did today, we had 100 million to buy, not that much. What that does is the short sellers expand the premium levels, and then the buy stops, they do the heavy lifting. They do the buy programs, and up the futures go. Now look, we're going to leave it like that, you guys. I'm trying to give you guys my feel for the markets. I know I'm not as technical as I could. Yeah, I can yell out some levels, but as I said, I'm not here to do your charts, and I'm not here to point out the chart points. You guys do that, and you should start telling me your levels. But anyways, I'm going to leave it like that. Have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday.